Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can remove Apple ID balance credit. So for that you'll need a support application which is by default on your iPhone. Simply open the application and from here scroll down until you see the option of App Store in here. Simply tap on App Store and after doing that tap on subscriptions and purchases. So after doing that here, you can select any of the one option like request a refund, or you can tap on unable to purchase. I'm going to tap on unable to purchase. And then from here, you'll have to again scroll down and then tap on get more help. Then after doing that here, tap on live chat. And in here, you'll have to now explain what your actual problem is to Apple. So in here, you can see there's the option of adding down your item title. Here, you can add down the title of your problem. And in here, you can now explain to them that you want to remove your Apple ID from your balance credit and simply tap on chat now. After doing that, Apple support will shortly contact you through your email. And just like that, you'll be able to remove Apple ID from your balance credit. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.